Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji, and in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about brickwork in facade. So let's say maybe we're going to have some patterns like this on the edge of the building. So I'm going to go to my east facade. This is my east side elevation, and let's say it's going to be around this edge and this edge. I'll go first with RP. I'm going to start maybe 40 centimeters above. So I'm going to pick line. I'm going to assign offset to be zero point 0.4, and I'm going to click up here. Hit escape and move this outside, and I want to go with a few more reference planes. Let's say maybe it's every zero point 0.3. I'm going to keep clicking up here. Let's say maybe it's good enough, and maybe on the inside I'll go with another reference plane. It's also going to be zero point 0.3 inside. I'll click here, and I'm going to hit escape, hit tab, move the edges of the reference plane outside. I need one more reference plane on the left side, zero point 0.3 meters inside. And you can grab the edges outside. Then I want to go with modify. I'm going to use split face command, which is this one. I need to click on the face of the wall, and now it allows me to pick the lines or draw the lines. Maybe I can pick this line, and then I can draw one line from here to here and here to here. Hit escape, TR for trim this edge and trim this edge. And when it ends on the orange line, you don't need another line because the orange line means it's our exterior edge. I'll hit tab, and I'm going to copy this several times up here. So let's take care of this area first. So I'm going to finish edit mode. And if I go to my 3D view, those are the split faces that you see here. Now I'm going to go to manage material. I'm going to create a new material, and I'm going to rename it as brick with a light color. I'm going to go to the asset browser so that I can look up for a brick. If I click on masonry, I can go with this beige brick. This looks good. I'm going to double click. Close this window under graphics. So I want to check the box for use render appearance. Okay, now I'll go back to my modify tab, and I'll go with paint. Brick is selected. One click, two, three, four, and one up there. And if I put this on texture, now you can see how it's gonna look like, right? Now for the other side, before I continue, let me bring my level 1 plan. And what I worked on right now is this edge here. If I want this to work on the other end as well, I actually need to move this a little bit outside. I'll say unjoin. Make sure that this goes all the way out here, and then move this back in, right? So now that it's all set, I'll go to my east view. I'm gonna click on the split face, edit boundary. I wanna select them all, and I wanna mirror them like this, so they're all good on both sides. I'll finish this. I'll look at this on 3D. I'll go to modify paint, and I'm gonna click on here and so on. Okay, so it all looks good here. I'm gonna go to my level 2, and I want to check this wall. It looks good here, and it looks good here. Again, on this end, I need to move this a little bit inside, move this out, and then move this back in so I can draw some pattern here. I'll go to my east elevation. And now for the second floor, maybe I'll need another reference plane, 30 centimeters up. And I'll pick this one, and I'll go every 30 seconds again. Then I'll go with modify, split face again. This time I'll select this wall, and I'm gonna select this reference plane, and I'll draw a couple of lines here and here. trim the edges. And I want to copy this a couple more times up here. 3 and maybe 4 times. That's good. And I can select them and mirror them to the other edge. It all looks good. I'll finish this. I'll look at it, maybe on the 3D view. Now I can go with Modify, Paint, and I can click on each of these faces one by one. Okay, so that's how the brickwork works. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe for more videos.